Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can withdraw money, or in this case Solana, from your Axiom Pro account. So let's get started. Now first off, if you guys want to save up on trading fees on Axiom Pro, you can use my referral link from the description below, and if you use that link to create a new account, you will get 10% lifetime trading fee discounts on your Axiom Pro account. So if you want to save up some funds on trading fees, you can go ahead and use that link or code below it. But now to withdraw money from your Axiom, you just need to click on your balance right here, the wallet icon, then click on withdraw right here. After that you would need a withdrawal address, so for this I recommend the Phantom wallet. Now if you have your Phantom wallet installed, you should see it right here, so you just need to click on it and then tap on receive right here. Now you would just need to copy your deposit address by clicking on this copy icon. After that you can close your Phantom wallet and just paste over your deposit address right here. Now once you have your deposit address copy pasted, you can input the amount of Solana that you would like to transfer, or you can change the currency right here, but I will leave it at Solana. And I will just click on max because I want to withdraw the max amount. Now once you have all that set up, you can go ahead and click on withdraw all Solana. So as a security check, you would need to re-verify, so I will just click connect with Phantom, then I will just confirm this, and there we go. The transfer has been successful, and now let's check the balance of our Phantom wallet. And there we go, this is this transaction. So now if I go to my Phantom wallet balance, here you can see that my balance has changed to the amount that we just transferred. And essentially guys, that's how you can withdraw money from your Axiom Pro account to your Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out that invite link from the description below if you want to save up on some trading fees. Thank you guys for watching.